Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today is, I'm going to be going over a market profile script that you guys might like. What I'm going to do, it's a free script that I'm going to give you guys. The link will be down below in the description. And what this does is, you can see it's Sunday evening. We just opened about an hour and a half ago. But what this script does is, I call it the cool MTF market profile, right? So the way to use it, leave everything as is, right? Profiles per minute, multiplier of 1. On expansion, no. Profiles 9. So it's going to show the last 9 profiles, right? If you want to see the last 50, you could change that. Show the point of control, yes. If you want to show the value areas, you can. 70%. But think of this as a market profile chart, okay? But what we're doing is we're going to change this to minutes, right? So this is 15 minutes worth of time. And you can, again, play around with all this however you want. But essentially, think about this. How cool is it that we have, for the first 15 minutes, a market profile? So it breaks up where the volume's traded during that time. Once the 15 minutes is up, we now have a brand new market profile for the next 15 minutes, right? And so on and so on. So we could see we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes in this 15-minute market profile. Well, we can also see there was a lot of volume just right here, right? We could see the little high volume node right there. So maybe we can lean against this also with the point of control here, and maybe price will rally up here, stall for a second, and we could do a quick little scalp trade, right? If we start to fall, maybe this value area low down here, right? That's what these guys are. They're hard to see, but they're value area high and lows, right, of that time frame. So all this is it's a code for market profile, how it works, but instead for like 3 minute where it just does it for every bar, this is actually broken down into multiple time frames. That's what MTF stands for. So if we want to change this, right now I have it at 15 minutes, but let's say we want to see every 30 minutes. Change that to 30. Click OK, apply, and now we see 30 minutes worth of a market profile, right? Which is kind of really cool. And look at this, the point of control for this 30 is right here. So maybe we rally and we pause there, right? Just like, think about this, right? We closed here, and then as we fell, we have the point of control, and price came right to it and bounced, okay? So maybe price rallies and it pops, and maybe it stalls right here at this level. So hopefully you guys kind of like this chart. So what I'll do is I'll leave this chart down in the description and play around with this. Again, it's a free Thinkscript for multiple time frame market profile that's very customizable. And hopefully this helps you guys with your own day trading and things like that. So, until next time, we'll talk to you soon, and as always, thank you for watching.